Good morning and good evening, good evening. May shoutout sa inyong lahat. No, my name is Mjbeeps. So, andito na naman ako guys to make a new premiere for the video, no? So, andito ako ngayon sa kusina, na ako karon diri sa kusina. So, karon kay napuno man ang refrigerator. Napuno ang refrigerator. Our refrigerator is very full. And I just want to show you with you. No? So, today, we do groceries, shopping groceries for a very important inside our house, no? So, it's like today is groceries, so when I do groceries, guys, I'm gonna put a list here. So I have a list here, as you can see. I don't know if you can see. That's my calendar. And to make sure, guys, yung groceries namin, kahit naka-order kami lang sa online, we call that Binit Drive. So Binit Drive. So today is, what I do is I need to write it down. Today is Mjbeeps 7, so we do a Binit Drive. I'm gonna write in here. So I have a record here. So the one we paid like, okay, we paid like 16. Ayan, naka-record po siya, guys. So, para alam namin kung how many months kami mag-groceries, like we knows the encode ba to encode our groceries for how many, kailan po siya mauubos, no? So ngayon, guys, is my title of my premiere, guys, for a new video is in Italiano is because it's already past, no? So it's like abbiamo fatto la spesa through online. We call that Binit Drive. In Italiano for that, but means we're doing a groceries shopping for very important here inside the house. So now I'm gonna tour with you guys, because this one I need to. This one we have a ghiacciolo like that. We call that ghiacciolo. This is our favorite, me and my husband. And this one, sorbito ghiacciolo, because it's spring already, so we need to put and open it and put in the freezer. So, especially, what we're gonna do this one is merienda, or even though we're watching a movie, we eating ice cream. So I put here, so I need to go out this pizza. Then I just put this one in the freezer, as you can see. So I will put in the freezer, guys. So I will put this one in the freezer. Like that. And another one is this one. A small, we call that in Philippines like a lollipop ba? We call this like a lollipop in Philippines. So this one, so I put it on here. Yes. So we do groceries, and of course, guys, I'm gonna tour with you also what is inside on our fridge. Our refrigerator, what is inside of our refrigerator. First thing to do, I'm gonna tour with you the inside of the refrigerator is a freezer. So first is freezer tayo, guys. Freezer is here. The first one is a meat one. So it's very full because I like to show you to tour our freezer. I will tour with you sa freezer ko, sa freezer namin, kung anong inside ba. So ito sa refrigerator and also freezer. So this is the burger, one burger what we call this burger, hamburger tacchino, and also another one is hamburger bovino adulto, like beef, more beef. Ayan, two, we bought two. And another one is hamburger chicken. So my husband will love so much chicken. And another one is hamburger bovino adulto. It's the same like this. So how many burger ba? Chicken. And another burger is hamburger tacchino. Yes, hamburger tacchino again. So it's like we bought in 1, 2, 4, 6 hamburger, 2 chicken, and 4 burger na beef. And then I have also my pork. Yes, I have pork here, my favorite, 2 pork, maiali in Italiano. So my husband bought also pork because he knows that I love pork. And he bought also we have also inside is like a salsiccia, like a chorizo sa atin, sa Pilipinas, chorizo. Salsiccia in Italiano. And this one is our favorite metrol. Metrol is like rosto di vitello, something like that in Italiano. So metro lang in English. So yan. At this one guys is every Sunday kami dito kakain. Every Sunday is look like very special. You know, you see my last video, metrol con patata, you know. So this is like a special here in Italy. Especially my husband is like a special here in Italy. So we have this one to make sure the last burger who need to be first arrange organized talaga guys. So para alam natin kung saan po tayo kukuha na ano ba ang first kukunin na dapat lutuin, kasi alam ko kung sa paano, kasi naka-frozen po yung first, no? Naka-frozen. So kailangan ilagay siya sa first talaga. Ilagay natin sa first na first na arrangement, no? Tawag dyan. So, ilagay ko siya doon. Ayan. Ano ba to? Arrangement pa more. Ayan. Ayan. Ganunin ko lang siya. Ganyan. At super arranging ako guys. Super organizing. Ganyan. So, organize na siya. Sa freezer. Next is the second freezer is as I show you, it look like ice cream here in Italy. And a lot of ice cream. We call that ghiacciolo ice cream. And this one, the fish ko, still have. Meron pa. Ako lang kakain yan. Ayan. At saka yung basilico tritato. At saka prezzemolo tritato. So, nilagay siya sa freezer para make sure hindi siya pag. The third one naman po is yung verdura. Yung verdura is yung mga vegetable. Verdura in Italiano is vegetable po. So there is a mushroom, another vegetable, and then another vegetable for my husband, and the rest left for vegetable. So vegetable, mushroom, gaya pala. So yan, mga vegetable dyan. Now done, we are done in the freezer. I don't know. So now we're going to the refrigerator. Not freezer. A lot of magnet, no? Because I love to collecting magnet. I love magnet collection. And now here, we are here. So let's start here beside. So what here is yogurt. And I have my barbecue for in McDonald's because I love barbecue sauce. And I have milk. And I have parmesan. Actually, this parmesan is for cooking like bread. And I have ketchup. I have what you call this, mustard. Another that's for my husband. I don't know what's the name of that. And this one we have juice for breakfast. My husband and I, we love to drink juice, pineapple juice, orange juice, and also Parmesan cheese. And we have also marmellata in Italiano. We call this one like strawberry, what we call that in English, I forgot. Strawberry jam. Yeah, strawberry jam. And here naman is a water. So every time we finish the water, we need to refill like this. Almost finished, so we need to refill again. So now it's inside. On the top of this one is my yogurt, and my husband yogurt, an egg, and another boro. Kanang boro means ano tawag sa boro yan in English. Sa tanawag guys na malito na ako sa language guys kasi daming language. Boro is butter pala, butter. This one. And left for the salad, and then a lot of cheese, another cheese, cheese, another cheese, and another cheese. Yung mga Italiano guys is mahilig sila mga cheese, ganyan. Parmesan cheese, like tibuok talaga, bugol ang sa parmesan cheese niya. You can do using mas shredded. Yan, mahilig sila mga Italiano, mahilig mag-cheese, So, yan sila. Ito naman po ay isang pasta pizza, like to make a pizza, pasta pizza. And then we have also like lemon, supposed to be lemon over there. And we have also this one, orecchi pasta, another cheese, and salami, prosciutto cotto, and piadina. And this one is for salad, limoni, and beer. We have 3 beer here. But we don't drink. My husband and I, we are not drinking too much, We're not drinking every day. We only drinking when it's occasion, celebration, something like that, important celebration. But we don't drink like alcohol like this beer. So actually guys, these 3 beers ay matagal na ito yung nag-celebrate yung kaibigan namin sa birthday ng kanyang anak, at hindi namin iniinom kasi hindi kami lasing na tao. Hindi kami lasing na couple, So minsan lang kami bumili ng vino kung may occasion lang, ganyan. So another juice, pineapple juice for my husband, and another tomato kasi mahilig kami kumain ng salad. We love salad so much. In Italiano is insalata. And then here naman po this is where we put our fruit salad, like alitos, latugay in Italiano, apple, we have apple, broccoli, this one. We have another fruits like pisca fruits. We have banana. So that's it. We have banana, apple. So not too much guys, fruits, not too much because the fridge is not really big. This is for me. So not too much. That's inside our refrigerator. Ayan. So yan, super organizing kami guys. Ayan. Tingnan natin sa bagong refrigerator sa bagong bahay namin. Yan, i-close ko na siya para hindi na tumakuanan. Ayan, daming magnet, Actually, itong magnet na ito, mahilig ako mag-collection ng mga magnet, especially kung patungo sa travel, iba't ibang magnet. Ito po ay sa Italy lang po yan, sa Pisa, Italy. Ito naman po ay ang magnet sa Como. Yan ang forma sa Como, guys. 4 magnet sa Como. And ito naman po ay magnet na collection ko from Bergamo, when we visit to Bergamo. And this one naman po is from the Lago in Gardaland. My friend and my husband, we meet my friend. And we going to Gardaland. And this one, when we visit in Monelia. Monelia means in Liguria region. And ito naman po ay Pitigliano, is region of Toscana. Ayan, ang form sa Como. Map of sa forming sa Como. Genova that's our we visit my friend. Visit my friend in Genova means Liguria. And this one is Milano magnet. And this one Champulok Austa, Folonica magnet. Another one Bellagio magnet. Another one, Monterosso magnet. I don't know if you can see. Monterosso magnet in Italy. All is in Italy lang yan. Bali daw sta, my husband when we went to Malaysia. Twin Towers in Malaysia. This one is Verona magnet. And this one is Gardaland. Gardaland Oktoberfest. Yan, mahilig ako mag-collection ng magnet, guys. Thank you, guys. And that's it. That's for now. My YouTube, guys. So thank you and God bless you, guys. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and God bless you. And don't forget to click the ring bell so you can update my next video. So if you are new here on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless.